All right, guys, I am back again with another video. And yes, it's been a while, but I had to come back because I hear so many people talking about XRP is going to the moon. So I came back to let you know the good news and the bad news. The bad news is XRP is not going to the moon. Sorry to tell you that. But guys, there is some good news. The good news is XRP is going through the clouds. Let's talk about that. All right, guys, you are looking at my disclosure statement. Please take a look at that and understand that. Please know that I am not an investment advisor. Anything that I show you today is just for educational purposes only. So therefore, if you are considering anything that I'm showing you or telling you, please consult with your own personal financial advisor so he can help you or she can help you to evaluate your relevant risk factors. All right. So with that said, let's get straight to these charts so I can show you that XRP is not going through the moon, but it is going through the cloud. All right. So here's the clouds and here's XRP. And currently it is going through the cloud. Okay. The moon is way up there and I don't believe it's going to get to the moon. Okay. But it is going to the cloud. So basically want to look at this right now. So what we have here, first of all, let's talk about the price action and where the market's been and where it's going and what it's doing. So first of all, we see this move from here to here. And then you had a big dip. This dip was a 78.6 retracement. So when we look at that, let's put it on our chart. We can see this 78.6 retracement. Hold on. Let's get it back. Let me get rid of it and bring it back. So we had a 78.6 retracement. You can see where we dropped down to that level. And then the market seemed to double bottom down there and then it's starting to move off of that level. So coming off of that level, coming off that 78.6 retracement, we're pretty much like about 47% off of that level. Okay. So when we're looking at this chart, let's remove the fibs. And then let's just look at what we got going on with the chart. So basically Ichimoku now, looking at this, the price has broken through the cloud. So this candle is going to close in about 6 hours. Okay. So looking at that and understand that we're going to close in about 6 hours. If it closes like it is, I'm thinking that the market's going to continue its move higher. Now we're boxed in pretty much. So we got two candles where we're pretty much trading in that same range. And when I look at this market again, I want to mark a couple levels here for you. So let's mark this level because this is a level where the market, if it doesn't push off of this cloud, it's going to sit on this level and then look to push off of that level. So basically it pushed up from this level as we can see right now. So this structure here, we broke that level and then we pulled back to it and now we're pulling off of it. So down here we came off of the 78.6 level. Now we broke this structure level and we're continuing to move higher and we broke through the cloud. All right, so we did break above the cloud today, quite possibly when this candle closes. And that's a big, strong sign that the market direction has changed or is changing. Okay, and then also you could see we had a TK crossover, which is bullish. All right, our future is bright. So we have sunny skies all above us. And then also you could see where we have Chikou span pushed through the price. Now, one thing that I always look for a change of direction is if Chikou span breaks through Kijinsen. So here Chikou span did break through Kijinsen, retested, and then continued to move higher. There is some resistance here that's going to hold us back. So we may see the market slowly get through there, but I think we're going to get through that point. Okay, so with that being said, there's levels where the market could move to. So when you're thinking about trading with Ichimoku or thinking about anything concerning Ichimoku, there's always the theories. So you got your price, time, and wave analysis. So our price theory tells us that when we look at this market, it shows us the levels where the market could be going to. How did we come through to those levels? The things that made us come to those levels are thinking about the wave theory. All right. So in order for this market to continue this move down, it would have to create an N wave to the downside. And I don't see that. The N wave to the downside failed. Okay. So I'm going to show you where it failed. And what we see now is an N wave to the upside structure. So the N wave to the downside was here. All right. And then to continue, it had to break through this level. But it didn't. It didn't break through this low here. Failed to break through, so you had a double bottom there. And then at this point now, we're starting to see a new wave develop, and we can see this change in the market structure. So you have this 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So we don't know where 4 is going to be, but we have our Ichimoku levels here, and we're going to talk about those real quick. So when the market closes today, or when this candle closes actually, I'd be looking for a trade long at this point. So I want to take this long at this point because based on Ichimoku wave analysis, the market likes to move in a measured move, which would be an N wave. So more than likely you see the market move to that N level. All right. So if we took a trade here, we would be looking for the market to move to this N level. All right. And that would basically be what is known to traders as a 1-to-1 measured move. The thing that you could look at, it could possibly go beyond that to these E values, this E value, and there are other E values, but this is the main level. So that would give us almost a 2-to-1 move there. All right. So the market needs to break this level, and it did. So when we had this first N wave and the market dropped, to continue a new N wave, we got to get through this level. Usually if you don't get through that level, you'll start seeing like a P wave formation develop, and then quite possibly you could get through that level or maybe drop to the downside. You never know. But a good sign is that we broke the cloud. All right. And looks like we're closing above the cloud today. Another 6 hours, we should close above the cloud. We found support at this structure level here. And all signs on Ichimoku are bullish. So that's a good sign for XRP. And that's why I think that XRP definitely has a possibility of getting up to this level, this N level. At that point, we could see a retracement. But overall, the big picture, yeah, we start shooting back up for these tops again. And that's what I would think about XRP and where it could be going. So I told you the bad news, we definitely are not going to the moon, okay? But the good news is we are going through the clouds. So looking at Ichimoku today, have a chance to get a nice trade on XRP. XRP is going to be a big mover, and all signs on Ichimoku are kind of showing you that. So hope you guys enjoyed that quick little video, and I will be coming back with some more stuff for you soon. So until then, guys, have a great one. All right. God bless. So long.